Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I want to share a tip of the day with you. If you want to keep your herbs fresher for longer, make sure you keep on watching. So what I like to do is when I get home, I dry off all my herbs. I don't wash them, I just make sure that they're completely dry, and I put them into a jar, like an old jar or a mason jar. You just have to make sure that it's completely clean and dry. You're going to stick your herbs in here and you're going to keep them in the fridge. These have been in here for 2 weeks. Usually after a week or so, I have to toss them. Look at this. Still super green, super fragrant. I'll probably get another week or 2 out of them and they're gonna stay completely fresh. If you like this tip, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, show me some love, subscribe, and let me know what else you'd like to see. Bye-bye.